Hello, sis.
Adrian.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay, right. Welcome back
Okay.
again to the class.
Uh,
It seems that your voice is kind of far.
oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
How about now? Is it better?
It's far. It's farther. Lebih jauh lagi.
Hmm. Maybe this is the best that I can choose. Yeah.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, okay. All right, no
Hmm.
worries. Gak apa-apa. Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine. Getting
Mm-hmm.
busy also.
Mm-hmm.
Today is maybe you can say like transition transition time present like
Period.
period, yes, because my lead plan to me to move to another project for the next sprint.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. All right, that. Okay, I appreciate that you come on time today.
Yeah. Is it kind of rare to me to coming back on time?
I used to wait for 6 or 7 minutes usually.
uh
Okay, no. That's why I appreciate it.
it's kind of
Okay, thank you
embarrassing,
so
yeah.
much. Okay, so for today, as you requested yesterday, seperti yang kemarin Bro Drian request, today we will talk about tenses. Hari ini kita akan ngomongin tentang tenses, ya. Actually, I also I've prepared for a listening section, but let's put it in the end of the session. So for the first
Okay.
time, let's focus on tenses first. Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, this is the definition of tenses itself. You can read it first.
Hmm? Okay. Okay, all right, I
Okay, this
got
is
it.
all right. This is the definition. And this one, we have 16 tenses in English. Kita ada 16 tenses in general in English. So this is the
Uh,
table, how you name the tenses easily. I've made
oh,
this table so it will be easier for you to remember and know the name of the tenses. Jadi, I will try to explain in bahasa Indonesia ya. Karena
okay.
jelasin di bahasa Indonesia. So, kalau misal tenses, kalau misal kita bagi itu bisa ke bawah, ke baris, kita bagi berdasarkan waktu, and then kolomnya kita bagi berdasarkan sifat. Untuk penamaan, kita ke penamaan tenses dulu. Spesial untuk yang sifatnya simpel, kita kasih nama simpelnya itu ditaruh duluan di depan. Oke. Tapi kalau misal untuk yang continuous, perfect, and sorry, kalau misal untuk yang ini, selain yang simple, itu yang ininya duluan yang disebutkan waktunya. Selain untuk tenses yang simple. Kita kasih tanda. For example,
Oh, I
contohnya.
see.
Simple present, the first one. Simple past, simple future. And then kalau misal yang continuous selain yang simple berarti dikasih namanya presentnya dulu disebutkan. Present continuous. Present perfect. Like that. Okay. Can you guess what is the name of this tenses then?
Present perfect continuous.
Exactly. Present perfect continuous. That's right. Okay, let's fill this one. What is the name of this tenses here?
It is a simple past future.
Simple past future. Exactly. Okay, this one right here,
Past continuous.
past continuous. Okay, next.
Future continuous and
Okay, the
past
last,
future continuous.
past future continuous. That's right. This one.
Past perfect
Okay,
and future perfect and
okay,
past future perfect.
okay. Next.
Past perfect continuous,
Okay,
future perfect continuous, and
okay,
past future perfect continuous.
okay.
Which can
It's
like
kind of easy, right?
can easy if yeah
It's
because
kind of
they
easy.
have huh, apa pattern ya.
Yes, because it has pattern for all of the 16 tenses. And now, sekarang ke sini. Sebelum kita ke rumus, we will make our own formula. Kita akan bikin rumus sendiri setelah ini, kayak tadi ya. But let's
Okay.
this one. So, yang perlu Brodrian hafal, yang perlu Brodrian ketahui itu yang sebelah sini aja, yang sis Ana tandain merah ini aja. Simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, and present perfect. Which is
Oh,
sebenarnya kita
okay.
udah belajar yang kemarin. Ini
Yeah.
yang perlu Brodrian hafal gitu, tahu rumus dasarnya.
Literally remember exactly the ini apa
Oke,
rumusnya.
okay, yes. You do really remember kan? Sudah hafal yang ini kan rumusnya? Sudah?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, let's see this one. Five tenses, kita panggil ini fondasinya kali ya.
Okay.
Okay. Saya makan nasi. This one is present. Okay.
Okay.
Pakainya verb 1.
Hmm.
Okay. And then this one, saya sedang makan nasi. Of course, karena ada sedangnya kita namain di sini continuous.
Continuous.
Oke. Di sini fondasinya itu kalau yang continuous ada be and ing.
Okay.
Iya. Be itu to be ya. Kadang ada yang
Yeah.
nyebutnya be, ada yang nyebutnya to be. Oke, and then the third, ini future. Future itu fondasinya dia will sama verb 1.
Okay.
Oke, yang ini yang perfect. Perfect itu dia pondasinya have sama verb 3.
Okay.
Oke, next yang selanjutnya terakhir yang past. Past itu fondasinya pakai verb 2.
Hmm. Okay.
Oke, oke. Do you want to take some time to look at this atau mau lanjut aja?
Hmm. 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 Oke, lanjut aja.
Oke, right. Let's move to this one. Kalau gitu kita pindah ke to be, formula to be. Ini ketutupan nggak ya? Ntar agak ke atasin kali ya. Jadi formula to be itu ada beberapa. Ini yang perlu kita ketahui. Ada be, ada have, sama will. Be itu dia bentuk verb satunya adalah SMR. Tapi khusus untuk future dia jadi be aja. Kalau
Hmm.
SMR biasanya untuk yang simple. Kalau yang future dia tetap pakai be. And then bentuk verb 2 dari be itu was and were. Okay, and then verb 3-nya itu being.
Being.
Okay, and then second type of to be ada have. Have itu dia verb satunya have sama has. Depend on the subject, tergantung subjeknya. Verb 2 sama verb 3-nya dia sama-sama had.
Okay.
Okay, and then to be yang ketiga ada will. Will itu dia verb satunya will, verb 2-nya would. Nggak ada verb 3-nya. Okay, alright.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, got it. Okay. So, sekarang kita akan coba bikin rumus. Ini kan yang tadi kita sudah ketahui ya. Simple present, simple past, simple future.
Okay.
Dan ada
Okay.
simple. Actually, I want to... Ini bisa nggak ya kalau di iPad share screen ke Zoom itu?
Sorry.
Wait a minute. I want to try my share screen from
Hmm.
my iPad biar bisa coret-coret.
Okay.
Try it first. Actually, I can say that this is my first time deliver this material in Speaking Partner, yeah. Then Speaking Partner focus on speaking.
I appreciate
Yeah.
it. So you
Yeah,
prepare this material, right?
yeah, I prepared this material only for you.
Oh, it's so sweet, yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's kind of hard. Okay, jadi. Oke, jadi yang ini nanti ada yang namanya perkalian tenses, perkawinan tenses. For example, contohnya gini.
Hmm?
Misalkan ada tenses namanya past continuous gitu ya, yang ini.
Yeah.
Nama tensesnya itu past continuous. Hmm. Okay. Do you remember the foundation? Tadi past itu dia verbnya verb apa?
Past. If past we're using verb to.
Verb dua. That's right. And then what about continuous?
Continuous is to be and in
Mhm.
verbing.
E plus. Okay. And then
So we can use to be the verb to for to be and using verbing.
that's right, betul sekali.
Oh,
Jadi
see.
nanti kita bisa gini, be sama verb to-nya itu nanti dikalikan. Verb 2 dari be. Do you still remember this?
Yes.
Mhm.
Was if the
Was,
subject is
that's right.
I, he, her,
That's right.
it.
Jadi nantinya was plus verb ing itu udah jadi rumusnya past continuous like this.
Got
Okay. All right. This is the basic. Let's try to guess the formula for each tenses then.
Okay.
Okay. This one ini dulu deh. Past future.
Okay. For past future. Oh. Okay. For past future.
Simple past
Okay.
future.
For simple past future, so we start with the subject
Mhm.
and we can make it will into the verb too. So
Mhm.
it tend to be will, subject plus will.
Mhm.
And for the verb, we still use the verb form,
Okay. So how is the complete formula? Jadi complete
like
formulanya
subject plus will and plus verb form.
ada yang Oke.
Oh yeah, object.
Oke. Sebenarnya objek ini optional ya, boleh ada atau boleh tidak.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue. Past continuous.
For past continuous is subject plus was or were and
Mhm.
plus verb in and plus object.
Okay. That's right. Next.
For future continuous subject plus wait continuous. Subject
Mhm.
plus will
Mhm.
and plus verb in.
Subject will plus.
Verb in.
Oke. B-nya di kemanain?
Oh, oh iya B-nya ya. Ah, B-nya. Oh ya B-nya ya. I have an idea. So Yeah. Is it just adding after will?
Alright, kita breakdown dulu ya. Future continuous. Future berarti future kan berarti dia basicnya adalah
Will.
will
Yes.
plus verb 1.
Hmm.
And then continuous. Continuous iya
To be bukan will.
Iya, be plus verb 2. So,
Be plus
nanti jadinya verb 1 dari be. Kalau misal ininya future, dia be-nya tetap akan jadi be. Remember this one? Kalau di
Oh,
future
yeah.
dia tetap be.
Oh, I see.
Oke, gitu. So, nanti jadinya adalah will plus be plus verb in.
Oh, got it.
Like this.
Okay.
Okay. Next,
Okay.
past
For
future
past
continuous.
future is subject plus will be
Mhm, mhm.
plus something and plus object.
Okay, that's right.
Past perfect we will use subject
Mhm,
plus had
mhm.
and plus verb 3
Okay,
and object.
right.
For future perfect
Mhm.
is subject plus um will has or will have
Mhm.
and plus verb 3
Will
and
have atau will had?
will have
Okay,
and plus verb 3
okay, that's right.
and end it with object.
Okay,
And
next.
for past future, so it's will using will have there.
Mhm.
Subject plus will have.
Will have. Really?
Sorry, will be berarti berarti bakal jadi will
Mhm.
have or has,
And then?
and then verb three,
Oh,
and ended by object.
all right, that's right. Next.
Okay, for present perfect continuous. Um, so for perfect continuous, we will using a combination of perfect and continuous,
Present
like
perfect continuous. That's right.
present perfect continuous. So
Masih sama kayak tadi.
started with subject
Okay.
and we will use be and have or has.
Be. Dari mana ada be?
Oh, perfect will. Sorry. We using has or have
Mhm.
and plus verb in
Okay.
and object.
Oke. Ada
Oh
be.
iya, be.
Iya, karena perfect itu kan dia asalnya have plus verb 3.
Oh iya, plus verb 3 ya. Verb
Right?
3 be. Oh, I
Mhm.
see. Okay. For past perfect continuous, so we'll use see as a subject plus have
Mhm.
been plus something and object.
Okay. That's
For
right.
future perfect continuous, subject plus sorry, subject plus will have
Mhm.
will have been plus verbing
Mhm. Okay.
and object.
That's right. Next.
And the first future is subject plus would have been
Mhm.
plus verbing.
Okay. That's right. Yes. It's easy, right?
It's easy, but kinda apa ya, make me thinking more about it.
Mm. Okay, all right. So that's the way you build the formula for 16 tenses, and you already mastered it in a few minutes.
Not less strict, but just knowing the pattern,
Mm.
the
Oh,
combination.
all right.
So if we using been in the sentence, it would be the next is the verb in ya.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Okay. Also, we can use try the example. Is it will be an example after this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is some of the examples before we try to make our own example. You can try to read it. I also put the translation of this.
Hmm. But when it it's kind of draining actually.
Okay.
Hmm. So for perfect meaning, the meaning of perfect is the the apa the verb is already done,
Mm-hmm.
right? Just
That's right. Perfect.
perfect.
Complete. Sudah selesai.
Perfect complete.
Uh-huh.
So for the perfect continuous, is it
Perfect continuous ini. Berarti sedang tapi sudah.
sedang atau sudah?
Nah,
Eh,
perfect continuous.
perfect continuous.
Dia sudah sedang menulis sebuah surat selama 1 jam. Jadi kayak udah berlangsung selama 1 jam. Tapi
Hmm.
continuous means masih berlangsung. Jadi udah selama 1 jam nih, tapi dia masih lanjut nih nulisnya.
Oh, it still
Gitu.
continues the.
Iya, that's right. Masih
Hmm.
berlangsung, tapi
Hmm.
sudah berjalan selama 1 jam. Gitu.
Okay. So how about the past? Is it already start like long time ago or
Mhm. Okay,
yang
it depends which kind of past. Yang
past
mana?
perfect continuous? Sorry.
Past perfect continuous, this
Hmm.
one. Dia sudah sedang menulis sebuah surat selama 1 jam sebelum dia datang. Jadi ada ininya, sebelum dia datang.
Oh, sebelum dia datang.
Yeah, that's right.
Hmm.
So, yang membedakan tenses itu kan waktunya.
Oh, so it still need the apa ya berarti ya keterangan tambahannya gitu ya keterangan
That's right. That's right. For some tenses itu
for
butuh
some
ada
tenses.
keterangan ya.
Oh, hmm, hmm, okay. Okay, I think we can continue
Okay.
for
Let's
right now.
okay. This one. Let's do some exercise. Banyak ya, ada 10. Ya,
Eh, sorry sis, can you move the the before page this
Oke.
I want to try to explanation the tenses in Indonesia.
Oke.
Ya, oke. Untuk for simple present is benar terjadi terjadi kalimat-kalimat yang simpel gitu biasa
Hmm,
banget definisinya
kalau
simpel.
simple itu dia fungsinya simple present itu something yang eh fungsinya tuh ada 3 Brodrian. Bisa
Hmm,
untuk nulisin something yang sifatnya tuh fakta. For
oke
example, yang paling umum itu sun rises in the east. Matahari
oke
terbit dari timur. Itu kan sebuah fakta,
ya
kebenaran umum. Semua orang tahu gitu. Nah, itu hal-hal
hmm.
yang kayak gitu, yang fakta-fakta kayak gitu. Kita
Oh,
nulisnya pakai simple.
oke
Bisa juga dipakai untuk ngomongin activity yang kita lakukan sudah rutin, sudah jadi kebiasaan. For example, I go to my office at 7.
hmm.
Go to office is something yang kita lakukan rutin kan, tiap hari.
Oh ya
Itu fungsinya simple
oh
present.
okay. And for the last
And then,
is it three type condition for simple present
iya itu tadi, kebiasaan,
kebiasaan fakta
fakta, kebenaran umum.
oh wah
Oh,
kebenaran umum sama
oh,
fakta
oh ya, kebenaran umumnya belum ya. Kebenaran umum itu something yang semua orang udah tahu. For example, sugar is sweet. Gula itu manis.
oh
Salt is salty. Garam itu asin.
oh
Something kebenaran umum. Yang semua orang udah tahu.
bukan itu fakta juga itu sama ya
Mhm,
ya
mhm,
oke 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 next present continuous yang sedang dilakukan
mhm. Yang masih berlangsung.
yang masih berlangsung ya
Yes, that's right.
masih masih progresif jatuhnya
Betul.
and present perfect
Mhm.
sudah selesai
Sudah selesai.
ya present perfect continuous
Mhm,
uh, it's for sudah dan
mhm,
masih berlangsung
mhm. That's right.
sudah dan masih berlangsung
Mhm.
simple past ya maka biasa pakai berarti biasanya usually we're using for an hour or ada contohnya nggak sih
Yang mana? Yang ini.
yang ya
Oh, oke. Bisa kayak gini. I have been living in Jakarta for 5 years.
ya, biasanya pakai for gitu ya pakai
Iya,
udah berapa lama gitu ya
iya, that's right. For 5 years. Karena kan untuk ngomongin udah selama berapa lama gitu.
oh
I've
oke
been
oke
waiting for you for 10 minutes. Aku udah
I've
nungguin
been
selama
I've,
10 menit.
oh I see
So,
oke ada contohnya nggak selain atau emang udah untuk itu aja biasanya
iya, itu aja.
itu aja ya
Untuk something
ya
yang udah terjadi selama berapa waktu lama gitu.
dan masih berlangsung
Mhm.
oke
Or for example, the meeting has been hmm, enggak ya, udah berlangsung. Living, masa living ya? Selama 5 jam for example, tapi dia masih berlangsung.
oke oke Simple past yang udah terjadi aja berarti ya.
Mhm.
Past continuous sudah berlalu, tapi eh,
Mhm.
dia ngasih keterangan waktu dan di waktu tersebut dia sedang melakukannya gitu.
Yeah, that's right.
Ada contoh lain nggak selain itu? Atau ya udah biasanya
She writing a letter at 5 p.m. I was mm,
biasanya
gimana ya?
keterangan tambahannya waktu ya?
Waktu.
Atau
Aha.
ada
Waktunya
waktu
bisa
aja?
jam, bisa juga tahun.
Ya, oke oke.
Iya, for
Keterangan
example
tambahannya
kayak
waktu.
tadi, di sana kasih contohnya yang tinggal aja ya. I
Sorry,
was
your voice is missing.
Oh, oke. Di sana kasih contohnya keterangan yang tadi
Halo
lagi
sis.
ya. Sorry? Gak kedengeran kah?
Oke oke. Tadi hilang Sarah.
Ah, oke. What about now?
Oke.
Oke, alright. Oke, di sana kasih contoh yang keterangan tinggal tadi ya. I was living in Bali for 5 years. Tapi saat
Hmm.
itu berarti udah nggak tinggal di Bali lagi.
Oh, itu sudah. Oh,
Gitu.
kira
Karena kan
udah
pas.
selesai, the past.
Iya.
Oh, oke oke. Kenapa nggak pakai?
Oh, bisa pakai in. Sorry, bukan pakai for berarti. Misalkan gini. I was living in Bali on 2020.
Hmm,
Aku sedang tinggal di Bali pada 2020.
hmm,
Gitu. Jadi waktu 2020 ini masih tinggal di Bali. Tapi sekarang udah enggak. Kalau yang tadi kan present
hmm.
perfect, sekarang masih gitu ya.
Ya,
Kalau yang past continuous, ini sekarangnya udah enggak.
oke
Oke,
oke oke oke.
oke.
Oke. Next. So, past perfect. Past perfect ini harus ada kejadian lainnya
Mm-mm,
untuk keterangan tambahannya.
that's right. Biasanya dipasangkannya itu sama simple past.
Misalkan
Ada
sama simple
kejadian lain.
past.
Nah,
Oke, oke. Untuk past perfect continuous ada kejadian lain dan
mhm,
masih berlangsung setelah kejadian itu.
that's right.
So, kecontohan di sini, even he's arrived, she's still waiting.
Mhm. Jadi, mm, sebelum dia datang,
Hmm,
sebelum dia datang, dia itu udah nulis selama 1 jam
hmm.
sebelum dia datang. Misalkan dia datangnya di jam 5, berarti si dia perempuan ini nulisnya dari jam 4.
Oke,
Oke,
oke, get it.
oke.
Oke, so, simple future untuk kejadian masa depan aja.
Mhm,
Terus untuk future continuous kejadian masa depan, tapi dengan keterangan tambahan waktu ya.
mhm, that's right.
eh yang future perfect selesai, sudah
Iya,
selesai gitu.
that's right.
Mhm. Oke oke. Tapi kejadian yang jatuhnya kayak ngeprediksi gitu ya. Sudah selesai.
Mhm, betul. That's
Apa, like I will have
I will have
done
done my work.
my task. Ya,
Ya,
baiklah. Oh
bisa
gitu.
begitu.
Have done. Oke. She will have been waiting. Ya, nah ini future perfect continuous.
Oke. Future berarti di masa depan.
Masa
Perfect itu
depan
udah
sudah
selesai tapi
selesai,
masih
masih
berlangsung.
berlangsung.
Iya.
Dia kan sudah sedang
Aha.
menulis sebuah surat hmm, hmm, hmm. Oke oke oke. Apakah continue itu simple past future. Dia akan menulis sebuah surat jika dia punya waktu. Hmm, jika dia if he had time. Because, biasanya past future ini bentukannya kayak past future.
Berarti
Definisi
ingat
past.
nggak yang kemarin kita bahas pengandaian?
Ya, oh,
Ya,
gitu.
ya,
Pengandaian. Termasuk berarti pengandaian kondisi ya.
iya, that's
Kondisi
right.
tambahan ya.
Conditional sentence.
Conditional sentence. Berarti untuk past future ini biasanya conditional sentence.
Mm-mm.
Oke. Oke, oke. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, let's jump into the practice.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Number one. What tenses is it?
She's cooking dinner now. Present continuous.
Present continuous. Oke, boleh diubah ke past perfect.
For past perfect, we can using uh, past it's to, and then perfect it's
Mhm.
have. Tapi she, aduh, ah,
Now-nya ini
uh,
nggak usah ikut ya, karena
nah ya
kan
nggak saya ikut ya.
now-nya nggak usah ikut.
Nah, um, uh, berarti pakai si had ya.
Oke, coba di breakdown dulu. Past, berarti
Past
dia pakai apa?
is, pakai was.
Oke, verb
Pakai
2.
was. Verb 2, sorry, verb 2.
Oke,
Perfect is,
perfect, pakai.
perfect is has or have,
Mhm.
and verb 3.
Oke.
So we can use it had and verb 3.
Mhm.
So she had, she had cooked, cooked dinner.
Yeah, that's right. She had cooked dinner. Betul kayak gitu.
Hmm, tapi untuk tambahannya berarti she had cooked dinner before he arrived.
Bisa, kayak gitu. She had cooked dinner before he arrived. She had cooked dinner before I calling. Before I called. Bisa.
Okay.
Oke. Coba kalau diubahnya ke
Future perfect continuous. Okay. The future is will, and the perfect is have, and continuous is verb in. So we
oke.
can see will
Mhm.
have
Oke.
been
Mhm.
cooking.
Okay. She will have been cooking dinner.
She will have been cooking dinner.
That's right. Okay. Alright. Next.
Next, they play football every Sunday.
Okay.
That
So
is
what is the
simple
tense?
present.
Simple present. That's right. Ke apa, Brodrian? You choose.
Okay, just random it. Past, future perfect.
Future perfect. Okay.
Uh, it will be uh, um. Wait a minute. They will they will play ball.
Hmm. Perfect.
Play ball. Play.
Rumus basicnya perfect adalah
Oh, almost basic perfect. Have and verb.
okay.
And where is the have? I, okay.
That's right. Where is the have?
Um. They would have played.
They would.
They would have played
Okay. Football.
football.
That's right. Let's go to the future. Not future. Future continuous.
Future continues. So it will be uh, they will
Mm-hmm.
they will play football.
Okay.
Oh,
Future.
future will continues it to be and topic
Okay. That's right.
to be.
Mm-hmm.
Berarti
Ada B-nya di sini.
they will dia pakai A.
Okay. Remember kalau misal future, B-nya itu
Hah?
tetap B.
Oh iya dia tetap
Iya.
B. They will be.
Uh-huh.
Oh, they will be playing.
That's right.
Oh, oh iya. Berarti future selalu pakai B ya.
Iya. Kalau future, dia verb satunya tetap B.
Oke.
Okay. Right. I have finished my homework. What is the tenses?
Have and finished. Perfect.
Perfect.
Present perfect.
Present perfect. And let's make it into
Present continuous it will be I am finishing my homework.
okay, that's right. Past continuous.
Past continuous it will be I I was finishing my homework.
Okay, that's right. Okay. Easy ya, bro ya.
Yeah. Adjusting period.
Uh, He went
But
to the market yesterday. What is
you
the
went to the
tenses?
market. The tenses is it's a past, simple past.
Simple past, okay. And then let's make it into
Mm,
ini yang agak panjang dikit. Past, future, perfect, continuous.
Past, future, perfect continuous. So, um, okay, he will he will be going to the market.
He would?
He would be sorry. We would have been going to the market.
Okay, that's right. We would have been going to the market. That's right. What about past, future, no. Future perfect continuous.
Future perfect continuous. He will have been going to the market.
That's right. He will have been going to the market. Past perfect continuous.
Past perfect continuous. Um, uh, uh, okay. He had uh, he had been going.
Mhm. That's right. He had been going. Okay. Move to the next. We will visit our grandparents next week. What is the tenses?
Simple future.
Simple future. That's right.
Simple.
Let's make into present perfect continuous.
present perfect present perfect. So, um, mm, he has been visiting. We has been. We
Mhm.
have been
Mhm.
visiting our grandparents.
That's right. We have been visiting.
Has been
Okay.
visiting.
Next. He writes a letter every day.
Simple present
Okay. Make it into simple past.
and the simple past is he wrote
Mhm. That's right.
letter.
She wrote a letter. Make it into future continuous.
Future continuous. It is he will be writing.
He will be writing. That's right. Okay. They are watching a movie.
Simple continuous. Simple continuous. Present continuous.
Present continuous. That's right. And then make it into past perfect.
Past perfect. It's um um they had watched a movie.
That's right. They had watched a movie. What? I saw a beautiful place last year.
Oh, that's a simple past.
Simple past. Okay. Make it into past perfect again.
Past perfect. It's I had seen
Mm.
beautiful place.
Okay. I had seen a beautiful place. Make it into past perfect continuous.
Um, I had been
Mm-hmm.
seeing
Mm-hmm.
a beautiful place.
Yes, that's right. Seeing beautiful place. Okay. He has lived here for 5 years.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Present perfect.
Present perfect. Okay. Make it into past perfect continuous again.
Past perfect continuous. Um, he had been living.
Okay. She had been living. That's right. The last one. We are going to the beach tomorrow.
Present continuous.
Okay. And then this one. Two simple past.
The simple past is uh we went to the
Mhm.
beach.
Okay, we went to the beach. And then what about past perfect?
Past perfect could be uh it could, um we had what is the factory of gold? Still it gold?
Good.
Gold, oh yeah, gold. No? We had gone to the beach.
Okay, that's right.
Gold.
Okay, that's all about the tenses. Do you want to take screenshot? Karena ini nggak ada di CD modul.
Eh,
Iya,
yang
yeah,
kemarin juga nggak ada ya di modul.
nggak ada.
Yang ini materi.
Tidak ada. Okay. Dan?
Uh, could you giving the PDF maybe for this materials?
Oh, okay. Sure. We'll send it.
Okay, thank you, sis.
Okay, we still have um, 9 minutes. Let's
Okay,
do the listening section, ya. Do you
okay.
still focus if we do the listening section?
Sorry.
Do you still?
I hope so, yeah.
Okay. Very good.
Actually, I already burned out about my brain, but yeah, let's retry.
Let's make it short. You can
Let's
try
make it
to
short.
read the question first while I try to play the audio. Okay, please take some time.
Uh, I think better to move to the next meeting, sis. I cannot focusing for the last minute, yeah. Okay.
Okay, all right. So do you want to still do the listening or no?
Um, no,
No. Okay, all right.
I didn't confident that um can understand about
Oh, okay.
can listening clearly.
Okay. All right. You're already overwhelmed about that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to answer some of the question then, yeah, to
Okay.
spend the time. Okay. Tell me about the last photograph you took.
The last photograph I took. Um, um, I think it's about the last time the
Mm-hmm.
photograph that I took
Mm-hmm.
is when I watched a cowboy show
Mm-hmm.
in the zoo.
Okay.
Yeah. Um, yeah, in safari. I watched. Yeah, I watched so uh, like 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah,
2 days ago.
and yeah, and that is a musical drama,
Mm-hmm.
and I took the photo that um the yeah I think the last time that I tell you about the story that
Mm-hmm.
they're using a real material for the explode for the
Mm-hmm.
explosion scene, and I really have like perfect time for
Mm-hmm.
took the photo like
Mm-hmm.
the explode and the yeah and the fire.
Yeah. All right. That's the last photo. And
Yeah.
then, what are you having for dinner tonight?
For dinner tonight, actually, I kind of for this week I try to achieving a 6 day fasting and shower.
Mhm.
Actually, this is the like the exactly the last 6 day of shower,
Oh,
and
wow.
so I need to like have a strict fasting for a 6 day.
Mhm. Okay, all right. So this will be
So
the last day of your fasting.
this is the first day I'm
Oh, for
fasting.
tea. Oh,
Oh
okay.
no, second day.
Yeah.
Yesterday is the first day, and so I will have fasting until Saturday,
Until
maybe.
Saturday.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah I playing like that.
When will the shower end, by the
Shower
way?
ended in Saturday, so that's the
Oh,
exactly 6 day that I
oh,
using for achieving the fasting shower.
oh, okay. Right. Do you really mean to put your shower fasting in the last month?
Actually, no, yeah. Actually, I plan in the early shower, but
Mhm.
um, it's there is kind of hard um, to like intend myself, apa ya, meniatkan diri.
Sorry, meniatkan diri.
Yeah, make the intention, like
Mhm.
make yeah, make the intention
Mhm.
to start the Shawwal fasting.
Alright.
And I think the Shawwal it's already ended, and yesterday my mother asking me, is it uh am I already done the Shawwal fasting, because
Mhm.
we uh like sharing a promise to finishing the Shawwal fasting together.
Mhm.
But
No.
when I said, oh, I didn't start even,
Mhm.
and he said, I still have the last sip to finishing it.
Okay,
So
alright.
yeah, I try for this week.
Yeah, okay, alright. I thought you are on purpose to put it in the end of month.
No,
Alright. And are you doing anything special next week, next weekend?
next weekend, this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, for this weekend, I will have meet with my friends that got resigned before.
Mm-hmm.
So actually yeah, they are what is it? Uh, Villager that's coming from a far village,
Okay.
far from city,
Mm-hmm.
and they already got a new job in Jakarta
Mm-hmm.
recently, and they asking to me to have meeting together
Mm-hmm.
in the weekend, like
Oh.
sharing our condition and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, something like that.
Mm-hmm. All right. Where are they from?
Um, Cirebon.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, next. Who do you talk to the most lately?
Lately, um, my lead, maybe I think my
Mm-hmm.
lead, and yeah, my lead about my progressing, and also when I'm facing an issue while
Mm-hmm.
I'm finishing my task, and also my teammate. Um, he has QA. QA is quality assurance.
Mm-hmm.
Um, he's the person who make sure that I am deliver the good program. So he makes some massive testings for make
Mm-hmm.
sure that I have a good quality product. And when he finishing his job, he found it like a few bugs and communicate with me about the about the fixing about the fixing the issue. So
Mm-hmm.
because of that, I have a few interaction with him, yeah, lately.
Okay. So your boss, your supervisor is one of the most someone you talk to.
Yeah.
All right,
All
Rodrian,
right.
it's already 9 actually.
It's actually nice.
Okay. I've sent you the PDF of the
Ah,
PPT
yeah.
on our chat Zoom. You can download it before we end the session.
Yes, I already downloaded.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much for coming today, Brodrian. We will meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye bye.
Okay.